Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley J, and today we're going to do something a little bit different than what our normal videos are. Today we are going to do a cooking video. I'm making 3-bean chili in a slow cooker, okay? And the beans that we are using are pinto, kidney, and black beans. And you want to add a little peppers and onions and garlic, but we're going to go step by step, okay? So first, I want to add some beans. Here's some pinto beans. This is a regular day in my household. I'm chilling, cooking, and yeah, kids are here having fun, so you might hear them in the background. This is just a regular day, and this recipe is super easy because all you have to do is dump all of your ingredients in the pot. That's it. That's simple. And to make the recipe even more simple, what I actually did was I got some pre-cut onions and green peppers and red peppers and some garlic that's already minced that comes in a bottle. That's how I like to do it because it makes my life a lot easier and cuts down on how long I have to cook. So if you want to try that, you could go ahead. Alright, and now here comes the big boy, the kidney beans. The kidney beans can is a 30-ounce can. The black beans came in a 15-ounce can, and so did the pinto beans. Alright, so now let's add the rest of our ingredients. So you want to do a cup of your favorite salsa. I have medium salsa in here. Just add that in there. And you want to do your garlic. I have, you want to do 2 cloves. If you use the garlic that comes already minced, then you want to use a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is equal to pretty much equal to 1 clove of garlic. So you want to do 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, and also I forgot to add corn. You want 1.5 cups of corn in here. I have frozen corn. And here comes the onions and the peppers. Then you want to chop up 2 large peppers and 1 small onion. Alright, and also you want to add your veggie stock. This is a vegetarian meal, so you want to add 2.5 cups of veggie stock. If you don't want it to be vegetarian, then you can do chicken broth or beef broth, whatever you want to do to make it flavorful. There we go. And this is going to make a lot of chili for us. Now, here comes the seasoning. With the seasoning, I want to use a little bit of, like maybe a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half of each seasoning that I'm going to put in this pot. So this is ancho chili pepper. Just sprinkle it all on there. I like to put enough seasoning on there, enough to see that it is the color is changing on the food. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper. We want a little bit of a kick in our chili. Some ground cumin. Look at that. That looks beautiful. A little bit of chili powder. It smells so good, guys. I wish you could smell this. It smells great with all these seasonings. Black pepper. And I need to get some kosher salt. I forgot to pull down. Want to add a little bit of kosher salt to this recipe. Okay. Now take my spoon. Y'all want to check it out before I stir it up? This is what it looks like before I stir it. Can y'all see that? Now let's stir it up. Get all of that goodness put in here together and incorporated. And the next step is to put the slow cooker on. Since this is only beans and no meat is in here, you only want to put this on for about 3 to 4 hours on high. Okay. That. All right. Like I said, it's a regular day in the household. The kids are here playing. Okay, so the crock pot is ready to be turned on. I'm turning it on high. Cover it up. And we're going to wait the 3 or 4 hours. I think I might do 3 for this to get finished, okay? And when it's finished, I will let you know. We'll come back and see the finished result and have a little taste test so you know that this is good. Let me tell you, it already smells so good. I thank you. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it's been about 3.5 to 4 hours since we've put the chili on. Now it's time to do a little taste test. So I'm going to get my spoon and we're going to taste the chili. Don't forget it's a 3 bean and this looks good and it smells really good too. Get some of that sauce that it made. Here we go. And then I'm going to add my toppings to it. So I'm going to put a little bit of Mexican cheese on top. And a little sour cream. If you want a vegan alternative to this, then don't use dairy cheese or dairy sour cream. You can find a vegan alternative to that. I haven't tried those yet. I'm still on the fence about trying them, but this is what I'm going to use right now. Squeeze a little on top. All right, let's see. Here, take a look at this. That's what it looks like. Pretty good, right? Looks pretty good. So, let's go ahead. It's piping hot, too. I think it was pretty good. Has a little bite to it. Good flavors from the different seasonings we used. I think this is good. So let me know if you're going to give this a try. Sorry. It's good. It was super easy to make. And all you had to do was put it in the crock pot and forget about it. So let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try. And what you think about it once you try it out. I'll leave the recipe in the description for you, so you know exactly what I used. And tell me how you thought about, not how you thought about, but what you thought about my first cooking video. I'm going to bring you some more cooking content for vegan lifestyle or vegetarian lifestyle. So hit me up. You can find me on Facebook, my website. My website is ashleyj.com. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as it's AshleyJW. Okay? And you can also comment on here below. So till we chat again, guys. I love you. Bye.